see the updates. This is what we're doing. Oh, there's some cute doggies walking here.
Good job.
Y'all won't be seeing this probably till after Christmas. But you never know. This is what we're up to here. We got some, whatever that, or whatever you call those. See the updates. This is what we're doing. Oh, there's some cute doggies walking here.
Good job.
Y'all won't be seeing this probably till after Christmas. But you never know. This is what we're up to here. We got some, whatever that, or whatever you call those. Oh, I have to sneeze. Yeah, this will probably be after Christmas because there's nothing Christmassy about this. So can't do this during Vlogmas. Or maybe we'll just upload it in November. Maybe we'll just upload it as an extra content.
Good morning.
upload it as an extra content. Hello. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Our kids will upload it as extra content. Oh, hi, Timmy's. Oh, look. They did it for the whole road now. Okay, alright, alright. So they did it. Okay. Now they did the tracks across the road. Alright. Still taking them forever to do this. Yeah, we have tracks. See? Is it a good idea to put them on the road? Hmm? Is it a good idea to put them on the road? We got new lights. Oh, this one doesn't work because they're putting in new lights. Hi, officer lady. I think. Yeah, hi, officer lady. Oh yeah, she's traffic. Thank you. Look at the little machine. Look at the little machine. Which one's the one that's making the noise? We can't go that way because they block that off. See, we can't go that. We can't cross to the parking garage because they blocked it off. So we go around. We go around the tree protection zone. See, detour. We go around the tree protection zone. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Thank you for coming with us on this little adventure around the city. Woo! Okay, that didn't work, huh? Oopsie, crash. Oopsie. Oopsie. Sorry. We crashed. That didn't work. Uh-huh. So when this one is all done, I'm guessing the next thing will be to demolish this one. To demolish this one. Alright, let's get ourselves situated here, huh, Chloe? Carter? Gonna hold the little pony and the big pony. Okay, so thank you for coming with us.